Hello, Tim West here with Green Mountain IT Solutions, back with another video. If you'd like to get in touch or hire my company, please find my contact information in the description down below. Today we are talking about something that a lot of people are paying for but are not using, which is Microsoft Bookings. Bookings is included free in Microsoft 365, which a lot of businesses are using. And this is going to, for free, if you're already paying for 365, which a lot of you are, this is an online booking calendar that solves that super frustrating scheduling problem that we've all experienced, where you're trying to schedule an appointment or a meeting and you say, "Oh, are you available Friday at 1?" And they reply back, "No, I'm not. How about Monday morning?" "Well, what time on Monday morning?" Or how about Tuesday instead? And you're back and forth on 6 emails, or you're doing an awkward phone exchange. This makes it seamless for the customer, the client, the prospect, your colleagues to find a time that works on your calendar. So this is my bookings page, which I've just created to book a free IT consultation, and it shows you available slots. So the prospect visits this page, they're going to pick a 1 hour time slot. So tomorrow I'm fairly free. Thursday I should say. Friday, okay, I have an appointment Friday afternoon on my calendar already. So notice Friday afternoon is not available. It's automatically syncing up with my calendar. I can set holidays, Christmas Eve, Christmas. Sorry, I don't want appointments on those days. And the booker is going to just enter their contact information, any additional information you want, book the appointment. They're going to get an email reminder automatically, and automatically it's going to land on your calendar. Okay? So let me show you how to set this up. Again, if you're using Microsoft 365, you already have this. The easiest thing to do is head on over to portal.office.com. Okay? And then we're going to click on the bookings icon on the left side here where I see all my services. Here's bookings. It's in a light green. It looks kind of like the letter B. Now, depending upon your organization, you may need to ask your administrator or your IT person, maybe that's me, to grant you access to bookings. The first thing I would do is go down to business information, enter your company details in here. You can add your logo if you have an image file. Okay, but most importantly on this page, enter your business hours. These are times that you're available to book. Then you're going to head to your booking page. Okay? You can customize the look of it, change things like the colors, etc. You can make it internal only, so only people in your organization can book. Things like this. Your scheduling policy, how long do you want these appointments to be? Half hour, an hour, 2 hours? What's the minimum lead time in hours? I do not want people booking 36 hours with less than 36 hours to go because I need time to prepare. What's the maximum lead time? I don't want people, on the other hand, booking an appointment for 5 years from now. So I said 30 days max. Okay? This box you do want to check. It's going to notify you with an email when a booking is created. You can send a meeting invite if you want. When someone books an appointment, they are going to get a confirmation email, so I don't think it's really necessary to send the meeting invite as well, but you might want that. It will let them just click one of those email links and add it to their Outlook or Google Calendar, whatever they're using. Staff, do you want this to be just a general company level thing, or do you want them to allow your customers to pick a certain person on your staff who they are going to meet with? Okay, your availability settings. I've chose to do custom hours. There's certain times of day that I have to do certain things that I don't want available. You could select just whenever staff are free. This first option will allow any time within business hours to be booked. You could say you're not bookable for some reason, if you wanted to block out a certain times, or you could do custom hours, which I've chose to do, and enter your custom hours that you want to be available. You can also change these for certain dates if you're going on vacation, things like that. Notice here I've said I don't want Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. I do not want appointments. On New Year's Day, I don't want appointments, but I could set, if I had to go to a training or a conference one week, but I was available in the afternoons, whatever, I could set custom hours for a certain range. So play around with these options. Next thing you're going to do is head on over to your staff. And I'm just going to discard the changes because I don't want to save those edits. Head on over to your staff section. Here you can add people if you want. Select their custom options. If they have different work hours, change it there. Okay, all that good stuff. You definitely probably do want this check, notify this staff member when they have a booking assigned to them. Another important option I almost missed, events on the office calendar affect availability. Do check this box. This is going to make it so, like I showed you earlier, if I have an appointment on my calendar already, automatically that time will not be available. Head on over to your services section. I only have one service type, but you can set custom options. Let's say if you have a consultation, a free consultation, that's a half hour. You have a service appointment, that's 2 hours. You have, whatever. You can have multiple and many services. So what we did earlier under the booking page, this was kind of the general options, but I can further customize on a service level, customize the duration, customize the hours. So this is my page for a free IT consultation. I've assigned myself as a staff member. Your description, things like that, obviously. The duration is 1 hour for me. Buffer time is important. If you want to have a certain amount of time before or after an appointment, let's say you don't want appointments booked within 1 hour of one another, you're going to put that option in there. Okay. Pricing, for me it's a free consultation, so I don't have pricing information, but you could set pricing here. Okay. Maybe I'll change that to free because mine is free. Okay. Reminders and confirmations. This can be both for you, yourself, and for your staff. So you could say, let's say 1 week out, 1 day out, 1 hour out, send a reminder to the customer, to the staff, to everyone, that kind of thing. This is what the reminder is going to say here in this box. You can even play around. They have a new option that's, I think, in a beta testing phase, sending text notifications. Okay. I said to use the default scheduling policy, which I created on the booking page section, but I could, if I wanted to, set custom hours on a per service. All these custom options could be done on a per service level. So that is about it. Okay. Once you're done, head back over to booking page, and this is where it's going to give you the link. You can take this link and put it on Facebook, put it on your website. You can even embed on your website if you do your own website, or if you want your web person to add it to your site, like I have here. If I can find this, I've added the booking page to my site so people can access it without leaving my actual website. I've embedded it, and that's the booking page. This is what it looks like. So I make an appointment, whatever. Let's say I want an appointment on this Friday at 9 a.m. I enter my information. I'll be the tester. Let's do my personal email here. Oops. Now everyone knows my personal email. Put in see if I can do a fake phone number. Sorry, whoever's phone number this is. If you have that, your address, You can customize these for the service. I'm asking for a business name if you have one, and anything else need help with our new server. And then I'm going to book it. So now I'm going to receive, as the booker, I'm going to receive the confirmation email in my email, and then automatically on the company email, see it appear automatically on my calendar. This is great. This has saved me personally a ton of time and will really makes you look nice and professional, and saves you that back and forth again of scheduling and bouncing back emails or trying to figure out on the phone and it's taking way too long. Just makes scheduling things so much easier. And most importantly, if you're using 365, you are already paying for this, so you might as well try it out. It is free, or included, I should say, included in 365. So most of you out there are already paying for this. Give it a try, play around with bookings. It's pretty self-explanatory and intuitive to set it up. If you have any questions or you need help enabling it or setting things up with bookings for your organization, please do reach out to me. My contact information is in the description down below. Thanks. Bye for now.